Getting in some breaking news now of the tussle in Punjab Congress. We're being told that Sidhu's putting his foot down and saying that he will not accept anything apart from the president's post in Punjab Congress. And Captain Amrinder himself, we are told, has also drawn the line, saying that he's open. He's open to perhaps giving a portfolio in the ministry, in the Punjab government to Sidhu, but saying that he's averse to the president of the Punjab Congress unit. Sidhu is adamant. So it's another face-off. It's back to square one, Aishwarya. It's back to square one in Punjab.
End of the day, what Navjot Singh Sidhu want is power. He won't be able to do anything with any particular ministry or with any particular berth. Just around 7 to 8 months to go for the next Punjab polls. And he understands that. And that's exactly why Captain Amrinder Singh does not want him to hold the position of the PCC president, because he understands the minute Navjot Singh Sidhu becomes a state president, there will be dual power centers, and the power of Captain Amrinder Singh will basically not only divide, the infighting within the Congress will be that much that the opponents, that is the Akalis and then the BJP, will be able to take the advantage of that. But that is something which the central leadership of the Congress party really needs to decide, because one thing is clear now, that either it is Sidhu or it is Captain. Because Captain had taken half a step back by saying, I am ready to take Sidhu back in the cabinet, but not as the state president. This was in today afternoon's luncheon. He very openly said to his supporters that he has conveyed to the central leadership of the Congress party that if Sidhu wants to come back in the cabinet, he is more than welcome. I'll even increase his portfolios. But he can forget about the state presidentship, to which Navjot Singh Sidhu in Delhi to his supporters has communicated back that I will only and only accept the state presidentship. I do not want any berth. I do not want any portfolio. So it is not only to square one, it is more than that, because now the central leadership, that is Priyanka and then Rahul Gandhi, because Sonia Gandhi is keeping a safe distance from it. But whatever decision does both of these, Priyanka and then Rahul take, it will have a direct impact on the politics of Punjab, because now they have to choose. Either it is Captain Amrinder Singh or it is Navjot Singh Sidhu. They have to choose between loyalty and popularity. Navjot Singh Sidhu is popular, Captain Amrinder Singh is loyal, and it's up to Priyanka Gandhi and Rahul to choose now what is better for Congress's future in Punjab. Niranjan.
Okay, let me get in a word from Amandeep. He was tracking the meeting that Captain Amrinder, the Punjab Chief Minister, held this afternoon with his confidants, with his camp, his MLAs, his supporters. What was the message sent, Amandeep?
Well, exactly, Niranjan, the way Aishwarya pointed out, this is the situation on the ground. Just because the Congress leaders are actually pointing out that the High Command is disparaging the newcomers, and that is clearly indicated towards the Navjot Singh Sidhu, just because he is getting importance as compared to the old guard in the Punjab Congress. And that is the reason Captain has cleared it. He will be able to induct Navjot Singh Sidhu into his cabinet or an additional portfolio according to his wish. But it is not acceptable by the Punjab Congress that he will be appointed as PPCC president, just because his seniority is questionable, his loyalty is questionable. Navjot Singh Sidhu yet to prove himself as a Congress staunch stalwart, just because Captain is the one who is the biggest face in the Punjab Congress so far, and even the Congress leadership accepts the Captain as their own mass leader, but Sidhu will not get that kind of acceptance. So that is the reason. But Sidhu is having a soft corner of Priyanka Gandhi, and even now communicated to Rahul Gandhi as well. But the final call has to be taken by the Sonia Gandhi, that either the Sidhu or the Captain Amrinder Singh, just because High Command is trying to fit both the leaders in one frame, Niranjan, and even they wanted to bring both the leaders on one platform so that both the leaders can campaign for Punjab elections in 2022, so that the Congress can regain their power in assembly polls. But now somewhere down the line it is next to impossible, just because both the leaders are having confrontational attitude among each other. Both of them are not ready to work under each other's leadership. So somewhere down the line, this is the biggest hurdle for the High Command to decide the stake of Navjot Singh Sidhu as well as the position of Captain Amrinder Singh. There are certain dissent voices that has been reached to the High Command through Khadge panel, but nobody has advocated Sidhu's name as a president of Punjab Congress Committee.
Let's see where the story
even
goes.
they oppose that Captain is not doing justice.
Thank you for that, Aishwarya and Amandeep.